Aloha, I'm here at Kua Bay in Kona. Beautiful beach here with lots of coral, Sanko this. I'm gonna sing you a song called I Am Hawaii. The song goes like this. I am Hawaii. I am Hawaii. I am forever. I will always be kind to you. May gentle rains wash your cares far out to sea. Come you dreamers and dream with me. I am Hawaii. I am the flower. Whispering waters and chanting flowers, until lovers come to forever. I am Hawaii, bring you love. Hawaii, I'll bring you Aloha! This song is called I Am Hawaii. Aloha! Look at the beautiful beach and the sun over there. Look, sunset. And the coral rocks. Sun